Hello, good day. Today I will share about the asset location for first half of 2025. So let's go. So basically in the portfolio, not much have changes. The asset, long-term and insurance still maintain the same. What have changes is actually in the crypto and option equity. So both crypto and option equity is moving up much higher than the dividend side. So in overall, basically for short-term trading, that's less than 2 year, I will still maintain within the 15 to 20%. For the medium term, probably about 25 to 30%, and for long term, that's more than 10 year to be above the 50 percentile. So next on the portfolio comparison, the year on year for the whole year of 2024, there's an overall gain of 15%. The majority of the gain, that's more than 40%, come from crypto and option and US equity. Next on the QQQ price action is still within the channel trend. However, in the last 2 weeks of December, on the shorter time frame charting, there is some breach of support line. Therefore, it's very important to see that upon Donald Trump onboarding, how the price action of the chart will be. So this have to be keep on monitoring. So next on the 3 times semiconductor bull is currently now at about $28-29. Since the last update in August 2024 on semiconductor, it have actually dropped around 30%. So the current resistance is going to be at the blue range portion near to 40, and I will also put in the last video I make on 3 times semiconductor bull at the end of this video. Next, let's look into the performance in terms of asset class by BlackRock. And you can see that in 2024, as of October, the higher return is actually from China equity, followed by US. And then it's on the infrastructure side. So basically, if we look into US equity annualized for the last 8 to 9 years, it's performing about 13.3%. So that is quite a fair good return. So moving into first half of 2025, I believe that property value in Singapore will start to stabilize as we go into second half. Dividend portfolio in terms of the return is reduced because the other portfolio like growth, like insurance, will still keep on performing much better than the dividend portfolio. The long-term insurance growth portfolio will be acceptable as they go into longer year. The return is going to be much better than the single digit. Crypto portfolio itself have been bullish since first half of 2024. I'll be slowly selling from now till until October 2025. In fact, the capital have been regained back already. As for option trading, it will still form the best sustainable income strategy, and it will be important to identify the next growth engine to invest in, either in US or in China stock market. So looking into some of the snapshot, property price have been lowering than expectations since the last quarter of 2024. And in terms of the fear and greed indices for crypto is around 51, and the fear of greed of stock market is around 28. So the crypto market is pretty bullish more than the US stock market. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And before I end the video, I will share with you the August 2024 video that I made on the semiconductor as well. Let's look into the SOXL 3 time bull. So basically, you can see the cycle of a semiconductor. So it's probably like a commodity as well. So you can see that the peak over here, and then it went down for about near to 1 year or 1.5 year before it start to run again. So this round was from last October. So based on that, we are roughly near to 1 year period as well. And currently the pricing is moving within this range, and the support should be somewhere around the $30 level. finally, on portfolio, I think property price continue to increase, but there is gradual decline in value. And I believe that in the next 1 year, this gradual decline will still continue. Long-term and insurance growth is higher than before, especially where insurance growth is focusing on bond. So the return is growing up slightly. So with that, the interest rate is coming down slightly. So Singapore saving bond is also going to have lesser return. Dividend is almost similar as last year, and option trading and trading still coming to provide the income. And crypto itself is slow decline compared with the previous quarter, even to the aspect that many of the guru that's in the YouTuber or in the industry scene are getting it wrong. It's a very interesting experience on crypto as I embarked on it early this year. So roughly, I think the crypto way of trading and investing is totally different from stock market. So another type of methodology will definitely have to be deployed on crypto. So crypto way of trading versus stock, Singapore stock versus US stock, all the way of method of doing the trade or investment are slightly different. Therefore, there's no one way fit all. So coming into the end of August, where it's flat, we are going to go into September. So in September itself, there will be more volatility, there will be more up and down swing. So one have to be much more nimble. And coming on into October and November, for each of the month, I probably will do some recommendation of the stock on the indices, so that at least I collect a data or history of all my call on the recommendation.